Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating online video coaching entitled The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So in this training session, we will discuss the financial concepts of IMG and the benefits that you could enjoy by being a member of IMG. Pakilala po muna ako. My name is Randy Epa. I'm one of the financial educator of IMG, and I'm doing IMG po with my wife Karen Epa, and for the past 10 years we've been doing IMG as financial coach and a financial trainer, and also one of the CEO marketing director. So start po muna tayo sa company. So sino po ba si IMG? So IMG stands for International Marketing Group, established in 2002, and right now is one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services company in the Philippines. So located po ang IMG sa Omnis Prosperity Tower sa Hilpuyat Corner, Paseo de Rojas. So ano po ba yung mission ng IMG? Our mission is to help you create wealth. No family left behind. Kasi naniniwala po tayo no, na karapatan ng Pilipino ang matuto at ma-achieve no, yung goals and dreams po natin. Pero magagawa lang po natin yan if we understand how to do it. And in IMG, we believe na maraming Pilipino no, ang nag-i-struggle financially, hindi dahil sa walang pera, walang trabaho, kundi dahil sa kakulangan ng financial information. Kaya with this goal in mind, IMG launched a campaign na kung saan we are to educate 30 million families by 2030. Okay, so to start, sa buhay po natin, meron po tayong tinatawag na lifeline. At mag-i-start po ito sa DOB or yung ating date of birth. And from our date of birth until right now, kung ano mang edad mo na nakikinig ngayon, I'm sure dinaanan po natin ito, which is yung season of learning years. In this season, our goal is to accumulate understanding in preparation to the next season, which is our working years. In this season, our goal is to accumulate money in preparation to our next season, which is the retirement. So most of you na nakikinig ngayon, most probably you are working. So we are in this season. Dalawa lang po yan. It's either YFB or BFY. Either you fire your boss or boss fires you. Now, kapag dumating na po yan, papasok na po tayo sa retirement bago tayo mag-BTL or back to the Lord. Now, in your working years, we work hard for money. Pero po dapat, pagdating po natin ng retirement, money working for you. Meron na po tayong mga passive income from business and investments, katulad po ng stock market, mutual fund, real estate. Meron na rin po dapat tayong long-term healthcare, at meron tayong isang matibay na financial foundation. Kasi kung wala at hindi po tayo naghanda during our working years, ang ending po natin is burden. At ikaw, ano ba ang gusto mo? You becoming a blessing kahit na retired ka na at matanda ka na, or being a burden to your family? I believe ang gusto po natin is maging blessing. Pero hindi po yan darating kung wala po tayong ginagawa. Ngayon, magte-take action in building up our finances and setting up the right instrument para ma-prepare po tayo sa buhay na gusto po natin in the future. Kaya naman, I introduce to you the concept of solid financial foundation. So una, alamin po muna natin kung ano-ano yung mga building blocks. So first is you having passive income. So dapat meron kang stock market, mutual fund account, etc. that will help you reach your financial goals. But before that, kailangan meron tayong emergency fund na magsusustain sa atin if ever emergency happens. So ideally, dapat meron kang 3 to 6 months of your monthly income na nakatabi sa bangko. Sa gantong paraan, anumang emergency ang dumating, hindi mababawasan yung investment mo. And while doing our emergency fund, we need to save up to pay for all our debts. Okay, dapat maging utang-free po tayo, because kung meron po tayong utang na malaki ang interest, kakainin niya lang po yung investment natin. Kaya it's very important na gumawa po tayo ng paraan na makaalis agad sa ating utang. And next is term insurance. So, napakahirap. Tayo ay nag-i-invest, nag-iipon ng emergency fund, nagbabayad ng utang nang wala ka man lang insurance. Bakit? Because anytime, death may come to us. Tandaan po natin na wala po ni iisa sa atin ang nakakaalam kung kailan po tayo mamamatay. At kung ikaw ay may malaking utang, maliit pa lang ang investment, wala pang malaking emergency fund, pag may nangyari sa'yo, sino ang magmamana ng mga responsibilidad na yan? Yun ang purpose ng insurance. Dapat meron ka ring healthcare. Tandaan po natin, insurance is for your family, healthcare is for yourself. Dahil isang sakit lang, ubos lahat ng ipon po natin. Kaya napaka-importante po na meron tayong magagamit in case na dumating yung sakit. Dahil alam din naman po natin na walang ni isa nakakaalam kung kailan darating ang sakit. Now, when it comes to healthcare, dapat meron po tayong short-term and long-term healthcare. But it will be hard na i-sustain lahat ng mga building blocks na yan kung hindi po tayo nag-i-increase ng ating cash flow. That's why we need to make more money and reduce our expenses para ma-sustain po natin yung mga building blocks of a solid financial foundation. Like building a house, kailangan gawin po natin siya mula sa baba pataas. Huwag po nating hayaan na uunahin natin yung investment dahil hindi po magiging matibay ang ating financial house. Kailangan gawin po natin siya tulad ng paggawa ng isang bahay na kung saan inuuna mo na talaga ang pundasyon, sinusunod ang haligi, at hinuhuli ang bubong. Ganun din po sa pagbibuild ng ating financial house. So, how are you doing so far? Ilang taong ka nang nag-work? Tapos, magkano yung kinikita mo annually? For example, you're already 10 years working at meron kang average income of 300,000 pesos. Now, the question is, how much were you able to save? Malaking question mark ba? Dumaan lang ba yung pera sa ating mga kamay? So, with that in mind, marirealize po natin na it's not just what you earn that counts. It's what you keep. Mahalaga na kumikita ka, pero kasing halaga niya rin po yung pagtatabi. Kasi kung hindi po natin babaguhin yung nakaugalian na po natin ngayon, 5 to 10 years from now, where do you see yourself? Magkakaroon ba ng malaking pagbabago kung hindi po natin babaguhin ang nakakasanayan po natin ngayon? Pag-isipan po natin ng mabuti. Now, maaaring ganito po ang ginagawa natin. Kaya hindi po tayo makaipon. Pagka-receive po natin ng income, inuuna po natin ang expenses at kung ano ang matitira, yun ang ating itatabi. Pero ang tanong, may natitira nga po ba para itabi? Because most probably, pagka-receive natin ng salary, pag inuna po natin yung mga expenses, wala po talagang matitira. Sa dami ng gastusin sa araw-araw, kung ganyan po tayo humawak ng pera, mapupunta po sa wala. Kaya, sino ang mahihirapan? Ikaw din na nagtatrabaho. Kaya ang kailangan nating gawin, baguhin yung simpleng formula. Instead of income minus expenses equals question mark, gawin po nating income minus savings equals expenses. In IMG, we encourage you to pay yourself first and move to a higher level of saving formula, which is, pagka-receive mo ng income, give your tithes, 10%, give back to the Lord, and after the tithings, you save 20% of your money at kung ano ang matitira, that will go to your expenses and lifestyle. So, kung meron kang 20,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos doon, you give to tithes, 4,000 pesos for your savings, and 14,000 pesos for your expenses and lifestyle. Subukan po ninyong gawin yung formula na yan for the next 5 to 10 years and you will be more wealthier. Kasi bakit? You learn how to give, you learn how to save, and you learn how to manage the money na natira. Now, paano ko palalaguin yung pera na naitatabi ko? So, doon papasok yung rule of 72. Dahil tandaan po natin, yung 20% na nasisave po natin, dapat mag-grow siya. Hindi tulog sa bangko. Kaya kailangan maintindihan po natin paano ko palalaguin yung perang naitatabi ko. So, sa rule of 72, malalaman po natin kung kailan dodoble yung pera. For example, meron kang 10,000 pesos at nilagay mo ito sa 1%. So, ang tanong, kailan dodoble yung pera ko sa 1%? So, if we will do the formula, 72 divided by 1 equals 72 years. So, meaning, yung 10,000 pesos mo sa 1% will double to 20,000 after 72 years. Willing to wait ka ba sa oras na yan? I believe, hindi. Kaya naman, kailangan maintindihan natin, saan ba ako maglalagay ng pera na nagbibigay ng 4% or 12%? Pero tandaan po natin na kapag naglagay ka ng pera sa 4%, applying the formula, your money will double every 18 years. So, ibig sabihin, kung 29 ka ngayon, may 100,000 pesos ka, at nilagay mo sa 4%, your money will double by age 47 years old. So, magiging 200,000 na siya by that time. And by age 65, nasa 400,000 pesos na siya. Pero kung alam po natin yung 12%, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. So, every 6 years lang, dumodoble na yung ating pera. So, kung meron kang 100,000 by age 29, by age 35, 200,000 na siya. And by age 65, may 6.4 million ka na. Kaya naman, people who don't understand how money works, they end up working for money. While those people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. So, in IMG, we will help you understand paano mag-invest sa 12% at ano yung mga strategy at diskarte na pwede kong gawin kahit maliit lang yung pera ko. Kaya naman, we would like to give you the solution. So if you become a member of IMG, you will have number 1, financial solution. We will provide you the financial education and execution. Because in IMG, hindi ka lang tuturuan, kundi tutulungan ka din magawa agad yung natutunan mo. Because yung IMG may access po yan sa iba't ibang financial instrument available in the market. If you need healthcare and you wanted to learn more about healthcare, we do have in partnership with Kaiser. Kung sa life insurance naman, we have in partnership with Manila Bankers and Fidelity Life. Kung sa investment naman, we have partnership with Brandver na kung saan tuturuan ka how to invest in mutual fund. At yung mga partners po natin like Soldivo, Atram, Sun Life, CMI, BPI, ALFM, PhilEquity, and FAMI. At kung gusto mong matuto about stock market, we have direct stock investing sa MyTrade and UTrade. How about real estate? You could also learn in IMG investing in real estate because we are in partnership with Brandver Realty. And when it comes to general insurance, nandyan po yung mga partner po natin that will help you avail car insurances. And on allied services, we have in partnership with Kaiser Medical Center, Everest, De Los Reyes Optical, and so much more. So you can see, you already have a one-stop shop access. Parang SM. Pagpasok mo ng SM, hindi ka nalalabas kung ikaw ay kakain, bibili ng damit, or bibili ng gamot, or mag-shopping. Kasi lahat na nasa loob ng SM. So, ganyan din po si IMG. Para siyang SM ng financial industry. And also, we provide number 2, business solutions. So, in IMG, you could become an entrepreneur na kung saan you could own a business, having your own time. It is online. You could help families and become a financial educator. So, matututunan pa po natin yan as you start your membership. Pangatlo is the community support. Tandaan po natin, it's so hard to change kung ikaw lang mag-isa. Dapat nasa tamang environment at culture po tayo. Kaya naman sa IMG, no, from different parts of the globe, we have community wherein you could collaborate and learn, and from there, change your life. You could join the IMG community. And pang-apat is, of course, the benefit platform. Here in IMG, you have a whole wide possibilities to change your financial life. And in IMG, we want you to do it yourself. Hindi yung aasa ka sa mga agent at iaasa mo na lang din sa kanila yung future mo. So there are 62 benefits of being an IMG member. But in this video session, I will just show you 15 out of 62. So una, financial education. As you become member of IMG, you have access to financial workshops. You also have materials like book, workshop book, and even audiobook. At sa mga workshops po natin, matututunan po ninyo how to increase your cash flow, how to manage your debt, how to build a strong financial foundation, how to retire properly, and how to start a business in the industry. And of course, you'll also learn how to manage your finances by attending all our financial checkup session. Meron din po tayong access sa AFP na kung saan pwede kang maging associate financial planner din because of its certification program. We also have free 100,000 personal accident insurance at pwede pa po itong umangat ng up to 300,000 personal accident insurance. Kasama na po yan sa membership. Meron kang 50,000 life insurance coverage, care of Fidelity, na pwede nyo pong gamitin for memorial, or kung meron ka naman ng memorial, you could encash the money for your family to use it. You'll also have free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Clinic as a member of IMG. Meron din po tayo 1,000 pesos worth of mutual fund account. Care of po yan ng Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. So sa halagang 20 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-top up. And next is your access to a wide variety of healthcare program through Kaiser, dahil meron po si Kaiser na long-term, senior care, at saka short-term care, na kung saan ikaw na mismo ang pwedeng maging broker agent sa lahat ng healthcare na pwedeng kuhain ng family members or ng friends mo. Meron din po tayong exclusive program to IMG when it comes to life insurance. Let's say, for example, for me, I'm only paying around 7,500 plus for a 1 million life insurance coverage. You could also have that once you become member of IMG. At meron po tayong option to invest to other mutual fund companies with 0% entry fee. Meron din po tayong access sa stock trading account, care of MyTrade and UTrade, na kung saan makakapag-invest ka na sa stock market and buy your first company. Meron din po tayong mga exclusive access sa SMDC, Ayala Land, and DMCI, at meron tayong legal assistance program na kung saan you have 45 minutes session, 2 session per year. At ito yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko. Dahil pag member ka ng IMG, you could travel the world for free. Yes, kasi sa IMG, you can experience life-changing conventions here and abroad, and you could qualify it so that it could become free. So me and my wife, for the past 10 years, were able to enjoy these amazing benefits. And also, you will be updated every day kasi meron kang members portal na kung saan you could access it anywhere, anytime. Basta meron lang po tayong internet. At doon din po natin makikita yung ating exclusive online wallet, which is NeuraCash, na kung saan pwede mo siyang gamitin to receive commission as you do the business. You could also use this to pay for all your investment, healthcare, insurance, accounts. At kung ikaw naman ay OFW na nakikinig sa akin ngayon, you have this international exclusive benefit na kung saan you have accidental death benefit na magsisimula sa 500,000 pesos. May burial benefit ka na 100,000, may accidental medical reimbursement na 100,000, acts of terrorism na 600,000, unprovoked murder and assault na 600,000, at mga accidental dismemberment benefit na kung saan makikita mo sa screen yung mga indemnities at yung amount na ibibigay sa iyo. Meron pa siyang repatriation service na kung saan si IMG na ang tutulong sa iyo para i-claim yung mga insurances at maipauwi yung bangkay from abroad sa Pilipinas. So napakalaking ginhawa po neto sa pamilyang may iwan. So ganito ang itsura ng IMG portal. So you could see your NeuraCash wallet here, your Soldivo fund here, yung Fidelity and Manila Bankers mo, at lahat ng investment sa Kaiser na pwede mong simulan. Kaya naman sa IMG, kumpleto, total financial solution. Because here in IMG, we also have the community to support you. So kami po, for the past 10 years, we're able to make friends and to really build up our wealth. At mas masarap po na makapag-build up ka ng wealth at ma-reach mo yung mga dreams mo kung may kasama ka. Kaya ikaw, welcome ka to be part of our IMG community. So how can I start? So first is to join. Kung ikaw ay nasa Pilipinas, you could join for 6,000 pesos. At pag nasa international ka naman or nasa abroad, that is 10,000 more or less. At meron lang po tayong 1,500 pesos na yearly renewal. So yung amount na yan, it is very small kumpara sa kung paano ka matutulungan ng IMG para sa mga malalaking money problem mo. Ang sumunod is to own, to start building a solid financial foundation with Kaiser 3-in-1. So with Kaiser, you will be able to have your own healthcare, may insurance ka na rin, at meron ka ng investment. So sa isang hulugan, meron ka na kagad tatlo. You could now start sharing and then earning. Okay? Because in IMG, we don't sell. We share. Pag nakapag-share ka, you will also have the opportunity to earn money, and that will result into increasing your cash flow. Kaya naman, IMG is the answer. Kaya kung ikaw, ganito ang itsura ng iyong financial house, walang healthcare, walang insurance, malaki ang utang, walang emergency fund, at walang investment. As you become member, magiging ganito ang itsura. May magandang cash flow, may maayos na healthcare, insured ka, walang utang, may emergency fund, at unti-unting lumalaki ang iyong investment. As you become member ng IMG, you'll be able to make more money, save and invest as much as you can, as fast as you can, while you can. Kaya naman, pagdating sa retirement, sure tayo na meron ka ng money working for you. May passive income ka na from your business and investments like stock, mutual fund, and real estate. May long-term healthcare ka pa. May magandang financial foundation ka at hindi tayo magiging burden to our family. Maiiwasan po natin iyan. Kaya naman, I encourage you to take action now. Tandaan po natin, nasa ang sitwasyon man tayo ngayon, parati tayong may excuse para hindi magsimula. Pero wag po ninyong kalilimutan na kahit anong excuse ang sabihin natin, yung anak po natin, next year, mas matanda na siya, mas malapit na po siyang pumasok sa kolehiyo. Eventually, mawawalan po tayo ng trabaho, titigil po yung active income po natin. So, paano na? Kaya naman, kailangan po nating maghanda. Part tayo ng isang grupo na ma-encourage ka na makapag-save at makapag-prepare sa future. So, in IMG, our mission is to convert people from being spender to saver, to investor, and to entrepreneur. Alright? Kaya with that, thank you for your time listening. I hope mas naging clear at malinaw yung IMG and how it can help you. Sabi nga ni Bill Gates, if you're born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Maganda na magawa po natin lahat po ng ating natutunan para naman wala po tayong pagsisisi sa dulo. Kaya once again, my name is Randy Epa, your financial coach, educator, and trainer in IMG. Looking forward for you being part of our IMG community. So if you do have more questions, concerns, and you want me to help you and guide you sa financial journey na sisimulan mo sa IMG, you could message me through my email, or you could also contact me, or you could also visit our website. Kaya with that, thank you everyone, and God bless.